English is widely spoken worldwide. Whether you're an expatriate, professional, or parent, mastering it opens many doors. Here are some quick and effective strategies to learn English. Set clear goals. Break them into daily tasks like reading or listening to podcasts. This tracks progress and keeps you motivated. Adult English lessons can also speed up learning. Engage fully in English classes by joining discussions and activities. Ask questions and listen carefully to improve fluency and confidence. Be consistent. Practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing regularly. Use various resources and converse with native speakers. Listening to English music also helps with vocabulary and pronunciation. Feedback is essential. Ask peers to correct your pronunciation and grammar. Focus on using the language first, then seek advanced classes for targeted improvement. Review past lessons to reinforce learning. Regularly revisit vocabulary and grammar. Reflect on progress and celebrate milestones to stay motivated and improve. United Language Center offers essential English, private lessons, professional courses, and engaging kid classes. Enjoy high-quality, friendly instruction to enhance your English skills. Connect with us today.